Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids.co.uk and this is my unboxing of the Mac Pro. Now I know the Mac Pro has been available for a while now, but this is new to the Geekanoids office and I wanted to give you an overview of the machine, including the various connectivity. Following this will be a series of videos covering various configurations, including some memory performance tests, so keep a check out for those on my YouTube channel very soon. Now what we have here is the standard Mac Pro quad core. So this is running a quad core processor at 2.66 GHz. Comes with 8 meg of level 3 cache, 3 gig of memory and a 640 gig serial ATA hard drive. Now in the top of the box here we have the package which contains the keyboard. The Mac Pro is shipped with the extended keyboard with the numeric keypad, unlike the iMac which comes with the slightly smaller one. Underneath the keyboard we get the Mighty Mouse, some information and some discs. Let's pop that to one side. We also get a power cable. Just a standard power cable there, and we also get a USB extension cable, and that's because the Mac Pro normally lives underneath a desk, and this just gives you some extension lead for the keyboard. Now inside here it's very nicely packaged. Let's get this out of the box and then I'll give you a quick overview of the Mac Pro itself. So this is the Mac Pro out of the box. Very nicely wrapped. As you can see there, this is one of the sides of the machine. The cool Apple logo. Let's just pop this packaging out of the way. Turn this around for you. Now we've got the front of the machine here, and we've got two super drives. This one's only got one drive installed in the top slot here. This one's empty for another super drive to be installed at a later date. We've got here the power switch, little LED above. We've got an earphone socket, two USB 2 sockets on the front and two Firewire 800 ports. Just turn this machine round, and on the back we have the power connector up the top here. We have the latch for opening the side door. We have the various outputs here which can be populated with PCI Express cards inside the machine. This is the graphics card, and we have 3 more USB 2 sockets here. Sorry, I forgot to mention, go back to the graphics card, this is a DVI output and this is a mini display port connector. 3 USB 2 ports, 2 more Firewire 800 ports, and then we've got a optical audio in and out, and then here we've got audio output and audio import here, and then 2 gigabit Ethernet sockets. Fan outlet on the back, and then let's just open the side of the machine. Now the beauty of the Mac Pro, the design, is in how easy it is to actually get inside the machine. I've opened this catch on the back, and then the side door simply lifts off and you can gain full access to the internals of the machine. You've got 3 gig of RAM here that's populated already. This is the graphics card here, and then these bays here, numbered 1 through to 4, the first one's already populated with a 640 gig hard drive, and then you can populate these with more serial ATA hard drives as and when you want to expand the machine. There's another fan in here as well, another fan down here, so plenty of airflow through the machine. Really nice design. I'm not going to do this at the moment, but these two little clips here open up, and then you can slide the bottom drawer out, which holds the circuit board, and you can gain access to the CPU, etc. Now I just wanted to show you a bit more about the inside of the Mac Pro, and how Apple have really thought out the design of the upgrading components in the main unit. Now when you have a normal computer like a PC and you want to install another hard drive in the machine, normally you would have to fiddle about with caddies, putting screws in, cables, etc. And you know, it's not too hard in a normal computer, but Apple have certainly simplified the method a great deal. Now this is a serial ATA drive that I'm going to install into Bay 3 of the Mac Pro. It's just a simple matter of pulling out this locator here, and you can see there's some screws already located on the caddy here, and it's a simple matter of lining those up with the base of the hard drive, and then hold the caddy in place. Grab a screwdriver and just ease those screws into the caddy, and we're just doing alternate corners just to get the caddy into place. We just go around them all again, and this is really as simple as it's ever going to get. So once all these screws are tightened, just go around them all again. So all those screws are tightened. If I give you a close-up on there, you can see that between the caddy and the hard drive there is some little rubber grommets, and these help with vibration damping on the hard drive. I'm just going to go around those just one more time, just to check that they're not over tightened, but just to check that they're all located nicely on the hard drive. And then installing the hard drive is simply a matter of popping this back in and pushing it home. That's it, the hard drive's installed, ready to be formatted and used on the Mac Pro. So that's my brief overview of the Mac Pro. Thanks very much for listening. As I say, I'll be bringing you some performance videos over the coming weeks.
This video review is sponsored by EasyDraw, making drawing fun on Mac OS X.